Welcome to our detailed review of the SSUPD Meshroom S V2 Mini-ITX gaming PC case, Black Variant B. Before we dive in, please note that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below, so be sure to check it out for the best deal. This ultra-compact 15L small form factor case is designed to maximize performance without taking up much space, making it an excellent choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts seeking a powerful yet compact build. One of the standout features of the Meshroom S V2 is its flexible motherboard support. The adjustable internal motherboard tray can accommodate ITX, MATX, and even ATX motherboards with the addition of an extra-length PCIe riser cable, which is a rare and valuable feature in a case of this size. This flexibility allows users to build high-performance systems without being limited by the case size. GPU compatibility is another highlight. The case supports full-width GPUs up to 152 mm in height, and, with optional aluminum feet, can fit GPUs up to 353 mm in length. This makes it perfect for housing high-end graphics cards like the RTX 5090 and Radeon RX 9070. Ensuring that even the most demanding gaming setups can be accommodated. Cooling options are thoughtfully designed, with support for 240mm or 280mm AIO radiators on the front mounting bracket and compatibility with dual radiator custom liquid cooling loops, including space for a DDC pump. The CPU cooler height limit is 74mm, which is typical for compact cases, but something to keep in mind when selecting your cooler. The fully breathable mesh panels on all sides promote excellent airflow, helping to keep components cool under load. The power supply options are versatile, supporting SFX, SFXL, and even ATX PSUs up to 170mm in length, giving builders flexibility in their choice of power supply. Assembly is user-friendly thanks to toolless external panels, and the high-quality powder-coated SGCC steel construction adds durability and a premium feel. For connectivity, Variant B includes a front I/O panel with a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port offering 20 gigabits per second speeds, a USB 3.0 Type-A port, and a power button, covering essential modern connectivity needs. Pros: ultra-compact 15L volume with flexible motherboard support, ITX, MATX, ATX with riser. Excellent GPU compatibility for high-end cards up to 353mm with optional feet. Supports 240/280mm AIO and dual radiator custom loops. Fully mesh panels for superior airflow. Toolless design for easy assembly. USB Type-C front port with high-speed data transfer. Durable powder-coated SGCC steel construction. Cons: CPU cooler height limited to 74mm, which may restrict some air cooler options. MATX and ATX motherboard support requires additional riser cable purchase. Compact size may limit internal cable management options overall. The SSUPD Meshroom S V2 offers an impressive balance of compact size and high-end component support, making it a top contender for anyone looking to build a powerful Mini-ITX or even larger motherboard system in a small footprint. Remember, the link to purchase this case at a discount is pinned in the first comment below, so don't miss out on the deal.